So it's not that he's tame, he's actually dying. And I found another one that has just died too. And this is why I was so happy to film them yesterday, because they only live a short amount of time. It's already noticeably quieter today than it was even yesterday. And so he's basically paralyzed, but he's just doing his last attempts at making a mating call, but his life is kind of coming to an end, unfortunately. He can't even move. He's basically paralyzed. All he can do is make his little chirp. But this is a very fascinating opportunity to have one be perfectly still so that we can actually see if we can figure out how he makes that noise. And I'm probably going to keep him because I hope to preserve one of them. Like I said, I have a second one, but like I was telling Karen this morning, I could already notice that it's getting quieter, and we were really lucky to come out when they were literally at the peak. I mean, it was so noisy on Thursday when we drove out here. But that's very interesting that we have this little guy who, unfortunately, he's in the last minutes of his life. So we have to wait, I think, another 15 years.